Did you know that you can register your Lucy Calkins kits online? How you do that is you get the first book, Unit 1, out of your kit. Then you will turn to the 15th page in Roman numerals, and you'll see the key code that you'll enter into the Heinemann website. Then you will get on your MacBook and go to the Heinemann website. You'll have to create an account with your information, and then you can click here to register an online resource and enter in that key code. It's going to ask you to turn to a certain page in your Unit 1 book and put in a specific word. Then you have officially registered your kit. You're able to look through each unit. It's broken into all of the sessions. They have all of the anchor charts that you can access, as well as all of the anchor chart notes that you can print off if you would like to reuse them again next year. They also have a list of recommended books that you read or that your learners read for each unit. Also, underneath the General Information tab, there's a video for each grade that you can watch during FedEx or with your team to learn more about the kit. Thanks for watching.